Hello students, let us continue with English chapter 3.2 Seven Sisters. In the last session, we have seen about Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya. Let us see now about Manipur. Manipur, the jewel land of Mother India. It is also known by nickname Kangelpak or Sanelbak. The capital of Manipur is Imphal, where you can see the cyclist velodrome, that is a track or building used for cycle racing. Most of the people speak Manipuri language. The diet of the people consists of rice, fish, large varieties of leafy vegetables. The style of cooking is so different from the rest of India due to the use of various aromatic herbs and roots. There is Keibul Lamjao National Park with 17 rare species of mammals. It is only floating national park of the world. You may also see Loktak Lake and floating islands. Manipuri dance is one of the most classical dance of India. The folk dances of tribal people captivate the beholders with their exotic costumes and simple graceful rhythm. You can also see the Manipur martial arts, Thang Ta and Sarit Sarak. Let us see now about Mizoram. Mizoram implies the land of hill people, referred to as the Cookies. Mizoram is the land of lush hills, lakes and waterfalls. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. From here you can get attractive view of lush emerald, Twalang River Valley in the west and Turiel River Valley in the east. The museum in the city of Jharkhand shows the culture of Mizoram with collection of costumes, artifacts and historical relics. The Palak Lake is the biggest in Mizoram and covers 74 acres. The lake was created as a result of an earthquake or a flood. Champhai, with its fertile vineyards, is known as the fruit bowl of Mizoram. There are 2 national parks and 6 wildlife sanctuaries. Mizo is the widely used official language. Let us see about Nagaland. Nagaland is the smallest state of India, called the Switzerland of the East, a land of folklore passed down through generations with music as an integral part of their life. The colorful sunrise and sunset make the land beautiful. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Mount Saramati is the highest peak with the height of about 3,840 meters. The young people of Nagaland have ventured into a fashion designing, creating fabrics that blend their traditional motifs with modern appeals. Nagaland has become a paradise for those who are in the fashion designing. Nagaland has an ideal place for trekking, rock climbing and jungle camping. Nagaland is known as Falcon capital of the world. The great Indian hornbill, the most famous bird, is found here. Dance and songs are a part and parcel of all their festivities. Great Hornbill Festival is celebrated here. Now let us see about Tripura. Tripura, third smallest state in the country, bordered by Bangladesh. Tripura means 3 cities. It also means near water. In ancient times, the land was ruled by a king named Tripur, by whom the name emerged. Tripura land has 3 distinct geographical zones. First, the hilly range which can run from north to south. Second, the undulating plateau land. And third, that is the low-lying alluvial plains. Rivers such as Gumti, Muhuri and the Feni are chief rivers that nourish the land and sustain activities of people. Rice, cotton, jute, tea, tobacco are grown in Tripura. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. People come to visit Tripura for ecotourism and archaeological tourism. The Nir Mahal is a gorgeous red and white water palace in the lake of Rudrasagar. Festivals like Garia, Durga Puja, Buddha Purnima, Kharchi, Paus Sankranti, Biju or Christmas is celebrated. So students, today we have studied about 7 sisters of Northeast India.